Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to cancel the Ryze Coffee subscription. Before canceling, enter to review the terms and conditions of Ryze Coffee subscriptions. This will help you understand any rules or requirements for cancellations. The terms and conditions are found on the Ryze Coffee website or in a confirmation email. To ensure a smooth cancellation process, it is wiser to gather all the necessary information beforehand. This includes your Ryze Coffee account details like username, password, as well as subscription information such as preference, subscription length, and payment method. Having this information ready will save time and make the cancellation process easier. To initiate the cancellation process, start by logging into your Ryze Coffee account. Now head over to the Ryze Coffee website and locate the login button. Then click on it and login page will appear. Enter your username and password correctly to access your account. Once logged in, locate the account or subscription settings tab in the top bar or bottom. Next, click on it to access your subscription settings. Within your subscription settings, look for the option to cancel your Ryze Coffee subscription. It may be labeled as cancel subscription and subscriptions or something similar. Click on this option to proceed with cancellation your subscription. Now choose the appropriate reason from the given options, or if necessary, provide your reason in the designated text box. This feedback can be helpful for Ryze Coffee to improve its services. After canceling your cancellation reason, you will typically be asked to confirm the cancellation of your Ryze Coffee subscription. Double check the details to ensure that you're canceling the right subscription and ready to proceed. Once you are certain, click on the confirm or cancel subscription button to finalize the cancellations. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.